Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Blambings of Nina and I am back with review number 2. So what I do on my channel is I review random things I buy. So if you're curious or interested about what I've talked about so far, please click on the subscribe button below, give this video a like, and if you could share this video to people looking for information about things I've already talked about so far, that would be amazing. So here's the second item I am reviewing. It is called a non-stick pan liner, and this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. So if you're wondering if this is a good thing to have in your own kitchen, I'll tell you my experience with it so far. So I was looking at random kitchen stuff. I bought this for 37 pesos, but I can't find the post anymore. So I just searched for pan liners and saw that this is actually available in different forms. So same one, the round pan liner I got, and it's also available in sheet form. So I guess you can use it on a larger surface or you can cut it. It's available in brown. You can see that other sellers give it a different pricing. There's also a stove liner, more sheets right here. So just make sure that for you to check the best option, you check the reviews as well and best price point. So I searched for the pan liner description, and these are the things that are indicated below. So it protects the bottom of the pan, meaning it can extend your pot's life, your pan's life. Can be used repeatedly. Non-stick surface is very smooth, easy to clean. Even says the temperature that would work best with it, and that it's easy to clean with water or a dishwasher, and you can just air dry it. So it says the size at the bottom, and it's available in brown and in black, but the brown one is smaller, just 20 centimeters I think. So let's check if it really is 24 centimeters in terms of diameter. So inch wise it says it's 9.5. So let's check the diameter. 24, so 24 centimeters. That is absolutely legit, and I'm going to show you my experience with it in frying bacon. This is the very first time I'm going to fry bacon with this. So if you have gotten an induction cooker at one point in your life, then most likely you're familiar with this stainless steel pot that comes free with it. It's very thin, it has a glass lid, and if you've tried cooking with it, then you can definitely attest that everything sticks to it. I even boiled pasta and just failed to stir it after a few minutes, and it stuck to the bottom. I'm going to show you the stain later, but here you go. So far I'm just using the lowest heat setting. I've also noticed a number of pros and cons to this. Pro is definitely nothing has stuck. I did not use any oil with this. It just rendered it's rendering it in its own fat. And the con is because the pan liner I got is way larger than the bottom of my actual pan, then not every surface is able to stick to the bottom of the pan and, you know, disperse heat equally. But so far, hot dogs, no sticking either, because I've already tried hot dogs on this pan. It's stuck. So what I'm doing is I'm just making sure that, you know, the ends end up getting toasty too, because it wasn't getting as much heat from the bottom, because you can see the sides are quite elevated. I'd have to literally press down on the side so that it would get the heat transferred over to the food properly. But again, so far the purpose of this is to ensure it does not stick, or it doesn't make the food stick, and I'm getting what it has promised so far. I'm good with this piece of bacon right here. Crispy, no sticking, very nice. The hot dogs are turning brown and already ready at this point. So far, so good. I gotta say, you know, baby bacon right here. Pretty crispy too. And so is the larger piece. So it's collected pretty much all the oil, and if you can see the bottom, there's the stain I was talking about. Yeah, that's where my pasta stuck the first time. But you can see the bottom is pretty clear. It doesn't have those brown bits that could be hard to clean, that sometimes you'd have to soak just so you can, scrub it eventually off your pan. But I've seen this happen in home TV shopping channels. They'll just get paper towels or some napkins or tissue. They'll just wipe the bottom and then voila, it's ready for round 2 or something. So very easy to use, very easy to clean, and relatively my pan's pretty okay. And again, it has done what it has promised, which is to turn your pan into a non-stick one, or lengthen the life of your pan. Now, one thing I have to share with you though is be careful with what you do with it, because I made the stupid mistake of mincing my garlic and onion when the first time I used it here, and this thing is not scratch proof, but still it maintained making sure that the food does not stick to it. But again, just be careful with it. It's pretty cheap, so I can just buy this again, but why buy if you can just take care of your stuff? So I do hope that this is something that has helped and has made you realize if this is something you need or not. Again, I'm not sponsored by any sellers or any website, but if you find this helpful, please remember to like and subscribe, and if you could share this video as well. And that's it for me. This is again review number 2 from Blabbings of Nina, and I will see you next time.